Hello children, how are you? Fine? Okay. My name is Neela Trivedi and today I am going to teach a subject social science in that unit 1. Okay. In the last week I had discussed children. Today is my last session of unit 1 of social science. Last week I had discussed you about Siraj ud Daula, who was Nawab of Bengal. He was the Nawab of Bengal. Who? Siraj ud Daula. At that time, Britishers asked the permission from Aurangzeb to trade in India without paying the tax. So, when Siraj ud Daula became the Nawab of Bengal, it was the year 1756. Now what happened that there was a dispute between the Nawab of Bengal and Britishers. Britishers want to trade in Bengal but they don't want to pay the tax. Then what happened? This dispute was day by day increasing. So Britishers helped the competitors of Siraj ud Daula. Britishers, they thought, if we want to have a control on Bengal, Britishers had thought that they will take a support of competitors of Siraj ud Daula. There were frequent conflicts between the British and the merchants of Bengal. Merchants of Bengal, they were ready to pay the tax, but Britishers were not ready to pay the tax. So there was a conflict between this. Now taxes both the Britishers and the Indian merchants have to pay. But Britishers had played a game. They were not paying the tax while doing trade in India. British have to follow the rules and regulations. Already Nawab of Bengal, Siraj ud Daula, had passed some rules and regulations which every common people have to follow it. But these Britishers were not following the rules and regulations of Bengal. They were against of it. So Siraj ud Daula had thought to do a war against the Britisher. British at that time, the British leader who was having a control over a Bengal was Robert Clive. Robert Clive was a British leader. He was having a leadership. At that time, Clive went and talked to Commander-in-Chief of Bengal. Name is Mir Jafar. Now what happened? Now Britishers had took Robert Clive, went and talked to Mir Jafar. He was a Commander-in-Chief of Bengal. Now Britishers went over there. Robert Clive went and talked to Commander-in-Chief of Bengal, Mir Jafar. Then he told to Mir Jafar that if you will help me, I will make you as a Nawab of Bengal. So Mir Jafar and British, Robert Clive, both joined together. They defeated and murdered Siraj ud Daula. This was the first war fought by the company. Which one? It was known as Battle of Plassey. which was fought between Siraj-ud-Dawla and Robert Clive. Robert Clive took the help of Mir Jafar, Commander-in-Chief of Bengal. This war is considered to be a turning point in the history. Now, in my next video, in my next portion, I will discuss you about Battle of Boxer.
Start.
Okay. Now, in my last video, I have discussed you about Battle of Plassey. Now, I am going to discuss you about Battle of Boxer. In this Battle of Boxer, what happened? East India Company appointed Mir Jafar as a Nawab of Bengal. Now, I am going to discuss you about Battle of Boxer. East India Company appointed Mir Jafar as a Nawab of Bengal. Why? Because Britishers had killed Siraj-ud-Dawla. So, the commander-in-chief who was there, Mir Jafar, now he had become as a Nawab of Bengal. Robert Clive went back to England. He went to England. Who? Robert Clive. So, in between this period, Mir Jafar became the hostile towards the British. Now, Mir Jafar slowly came to know why the Britishers had made him as a Nawab of Bengal. Now, Mir Jafar came to know the problems of Bengal. So, company has decided to replace him with his son-in-law Mir Qasim. Because Mir Jafar came to know the problems of problems of Bengal peoples. So at that time Britishers had decided now we have to replace the Mir Jafar from a Nawab. So they had decided to appoint a Nawab of Bengal as a Mir Qasim. Mir Qasim was a son-in-law of Mir Jafar. Mir Qasim was an efficient, disciplined and a clever ruler. Problem arose between Nawab of the company because there was a problem between the Britishers and the Nawab. So at that time what happened? Mir Qasim was defeated in the year 1763 by company. That means Mir Qasim was defeated by Britishers in the year 1763. Now Qasim somehow escaped from there. Qasim went and talked to the Nawab of Oudh, Shuja-ud-Dawla, and Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II. So Qasim took a help of two persons. Who were there? Shuja-ud-Dawla and Shah Alam II. So who took help? Qasim. Qasim took help of these two persons. So they three joined together. They had done a war with the Britishers, against the Britishers. Their combined forces met the company at the Battle of Boxer in the year 1764. The British East India Company won the war. They had defeated Mir Qasim and the Shuja-ud-Dawla and Shah Alam. They three were defeated by Britishers. Now Bengal, Awadh. Now Awadh is known as Lucknow. Lucknow is in Uttar Pradesh. And Mughal Empire was under the British control. Now totally the Uttar Pradesh and the Mughal Emperor were under the control of Britishers. So Robert Clive was sent to India because he was there in the England already, right? So at that time, Robert Clive came back from England to India. He took control. Robert Clive was sent to India to take the control and the situation which was there in India. That's how the East India Company become a trading company in India, and they had merged as a political power in the subcontinent of India. So Battle of Plassey and Battle of Boxer. By this two battle, Britishers totally took control all over the India. What were their main target is to have a control all over India. So this is the end of Unit 1, first chapter. Now from Monday onwards, I will start my online classes. We'll start with the lesson 2. So I request you, all the students, please give the likes and subscribe. Subscribe on Neela Trivedi. I request all the students, those who listen my video, to give a likes. Your maximum likes will motivate me to produce more and more videos for you, especially for you children. So from next video or from Monday, we will start the Unit 2. Please, I request you to stay at home, listen to of your parents, and thank you for watching this video. And I still request you to learn at home, not to waste the time. Thank you for watching this video. And please give the likes.